Now let's showcase this material pack. Start from a point on the edge of the rose pattern. Then go to the center point. This way, divide the circle into 5 equal parts. Then go out from a point near the center. This way, go back and forth through. One thing to note is not to pull the thread too tight. Use 17th size thread with 4 strands. This one uses size 4 thread. When finishing with 4 strands of embroidery thread, we just need to insert the needle directly into the bottom. Start from a point on the edge of the rose pattern to the center point. Divide the circle into 5 equal parts in sequence. Go out from a point near the center. Wrap the thread around the needle once. Then wrap around the next line like this. This way, cycle through the wrapping process. This uses size 7 thread with 4 strands. For the 3D contour sleeve, pull a straight line between 2 points on the pattern. Divide each square into 3 equal parts. Come out from such a point on the left side. Wrap a circle on the straight line. Then wrap another circle on the next straight line. This way, continue the wrapping process. This uses size 9 thread with 4 strands. For the leaf sleeve, pull a short straight line from the tip of the leaf. Then pull straight lines along the contours on both sides of the leaf surface, one stitch next to another. This is size 7 thread with 4 strands. For the dotted needle sleeve, come out from a point at the bottom of the pattern. Wrap the thread around the needle once, then insert the needle right next to this point. Hold the thread with your left hand. Gently tighten the thread with your right hand. This uses size 8 thread with 4 strands. For the flower center sleeve, come out from the center point. Wrap the thread around once with your right hand. Then insert the needle at this point. Hold the thread with your left hand. Gently tighten the thread with your right hand. This uses size 9 thread with 4 strands. For the 3D winding sleeve, come out from the first point. Insert the needle at the second point. At the first point of the simplified stitch. Stand next to it and insert a needle close by. Pull the thread with your right hand to flip. Pass it through the needle. Tighten the thread. Then flip again and pass through the needle. The length is about the distance between 2 points. Then pull the needle out. Gently tighten the thread. Organize it well. Insert the needle this way at the second point. This uses size 8 thread with 4 strands. The flower center position uses French knot embroidery. This uses size 10 thread with 4 strands. For the rolled needle embroidery, come out from this point in the pattern. Then insert the needle at this point. Then come out next to the first point. Wrap the thread around the needle a few times. The distance is about the distance between 2 points. Please pull the needle out tightly. Tighten the thread. Organize it well. Insert the needle at the second point. This uses size 14 thread with 4 strands. For the tulip embroidery, come out from this point at the flower petal opening. Then insert the needle at the other point of the opening. Then come out from the bottom point below. Tighten the thread. Insert at another point. Fix this thread in place. Then come out from this point next to the petal. Pass through the little thread loop below. Then insert at the other side of the symmetrical petal. This uses size 1 thread with 4 strands. For the feather sleeve, come out from the first point. Insert the needle at the second point. Insert the needle at the third point. Tighten the thread. Then insert at the fourth point. At the next point. Tighten the thread while coming out. Continue this way through the process. This uses size 8 thread with 4 strands. For the piercing needle sleeve, come out from this point of the pattern. Pin in at the next point. Pin in at this center point. Come out from the middle of the thread. Come out, then pin in at the next point. Pass through the middle between the 2 threads. Keep stitching in a loop like this. Here we are using 4 strand thread of number 4. The coral sleeve comes out from a point at the bottom of the pattern. Pin in at the next point. Come out right next to this point. Now wrap the needle with a circle. Tighten the thread. Keep stitching in a loop like this. Here we are using 4-strand thread of number 4. The pin stitch uses 4-strand thread of number 9. The coral show here uses 4-strand thread of number 9. Create 3D contours. Here we are using 4-strand thread of number 9. Create 3D twisted lines. Here we are using 4-strand thread of number 7. Net rose stitch 2. Here we are using 4-strand thread of number 8. Spider web rose stitch. Here we are using 4-strand thread of number 8. Rolled sleeve here uses 4-strand thread of number 7. Leaf stitch here uses 4-strand thread of number 2. Tulip show here uses 4-strand thread of number 4. Feather sleeve here uses 4-strand thread of number 1. Feather sleeve here uses number 3. 4-strand thread. Straight stitch pulls a line between the 2 points of the pattern. Here we are using 4-strand thread of number 3. Straight stitch, this uses 4-strand thread of number 2. French struggle show here uses 4-strand thread of number 8. French struggle show here uses 4-strand thread of number 1.